Hello, sound check. Okay, looks like we have started our stream. Welcome back. And today I was slightly late because, today was part number 2, the same I told you yesterday. It was, about some shopping with my family members. And the main thing is happiness in your family. You're the most closest ones, so I always prioritize it. Of course, if I know that there are people waiting for me, I did some arrangements, but at the moment I could afford myself not to come in time. So during the shopping I took a peek and bought some glasses. They from UV light, so it's sunglasses, but it's still we can try to disassemble them and work with them. And actually I'm not sure if it will be possible to work with them exactly as I want or not. So today again I'm not in a very mood for working in Adobe Premiere Pro on my video, so I will start doing that next week. Like, I know that week for most starts on Sunday. For me it starts on Monday. I'm just cleaning it with alcoholic wipes before I put it in some place which are clean and make sure that it's clean as well, because it was in the store, it was general store, so many people can touch it. And not only COVID, in our family it's good tradition to do a lot of things against any bacteria, so we use wipes a lot before it became a trend. Okay, they looks good. Let me see. Okay, the thing is that I can add something on top, but they don't have actually a frame, you see. So it was the only option. They cost only $5 or so. So I took them, but now I see that it would be hard to make them work unless I'll extend those poles. Okay, like that. Extend those pole and those, and put some like romantic developer. So they will be like flying. Okay, and is there a possibility to remove that thing, the glass from the glasses? Probably it should be a possibility. I need to set up my another camera so you could see my hands more clearly, but so I'm not sure how to do that. They somehow inserted into it there, so okay, I'll leave it to make some operations slightly later. I need to set up a camera above my table so we can look into that together. So right now probably we could switch to something we did before. So what we had from the last time, we had some glasses it was a pretty popular glasses. Yeah, so we stopped here and we see there are some makes for those glasses. Some are dirty, some are nice. Okay, so we can go and download all files, glasses. Then we can extract those files. I need to install 7-zip here, so it would be more simple. And we can start something like Blender. Okay, I need to pick up Blender. And again, I'm not big expert in Blender. I don't use it for making money. I just completed several tutorials and created several scenes, mostly for animation purposes, but have basic understanding how to yeah, modify these things. So we can open cancel. We can import here some models. Probably they are in STL, and it would be classes, files, front, full assembly, temple left, temple right. Let's start with front. Oh, they're big, like 188 meters in STL, but for printers they divide it by, I believe, 1000 or so. So it would be like 14, about 15 centimeters. And for 15 centimeters it would be like, oh, come on. Maybe I can do that. I have some light. Oh yeah, my camera will not focus, but you see that ruler is about 15 centimeters, so that one and that one, okay, where I'm taking, so it's about 15 centimeters. So if I'll apply it here, looks pretty good for my eyes, so should be fine. Okay, so that is our frame. And do we have, okay, we probably removed our, so yeah, that is our frame. Okay, let's start with I know there is some option which you can see my key navigation. Okay, building name. Okay, we have our ChatGPT. So, hey, how to enable showing which keys I am pressing in the Blender. By the way, welcome anyone who is watching that. I'm not sure if there are any, but yeah, if you are watching, welcome. I'm trying to start my everyday stream at 9 p.m. Sometimes it took slightly longer, maybe about 9:10, 9:15, 9:30, because yeah, right now I'm responsible, but right now I put priorities for my family, not for the streams. Later, of course, it wouldn't be my streams on the first priority. It will be still family, but I will try to organize time better. I'm very bad at organizing time, and we can talk about it a lot. Okay, add-ons install. Okay, it's propose us to download screencast keys. Aren't there any integrated functionality in Blender starting from 4.1? I have 4.1. Can you double check? I know that probably right now the most recent is 4.2. I'm not okay. Screencast keys. Okay, let's open Blender extensions and fine. Now let me refresh the page with stream so I can see that live. Okay, looks good. Welcome back. Sorry. Move, transform. Okay. Drag and drop into the Blender. I dropped. Is it here? Preferences, add-ons, key, install. Okay, it's asked to install official community. So what is that name? Once again, Screencast. Screencast. Okay, let's make Blender smaller, like that. Like that. And let's try once again. Drag and drop into Blender. No, I don't think it's work. Maybe some issues. Let's download it. Open file. And let's just extract everything. Extract. Okay. Let's return to the Blender. It would be preferences. Let's return to our browser and see ChatGPT instructions. Install it done. Okay, let's try. Install from the disk. Downloads. Add-on screencast keys. Okay, let's search screen. Is it possible to show everything? Okay, refresh. Screen. maybe like that. Okay, yeah, we should specify zip file. Refresh. Screencast keys already registered. But I need, oh, I don't need to change it. So how to enable screencast keys? I'm still alone. So let's refresh. Screen display keys pressed in Blender. Yeah, it's what we need. Register class as subclass display. Some issues. Let's start Blender. Let's save it as in my projects, maybe in some romantic developer. Let's create a folder, romantic accessories, and we called it glasses. Save, close, restart Blender. Okay, here's my Blender. Let's open recent glasses. Okay, let's go to preferences, screen. Okay, it still don't want to be used, so let's return to our Blender and see where it asked us to do it before. From GitHub, install add-on screencast in end panel, start display. Okay, looks good. So let's read about it. Let's see if it supports on our version. 4.2 unstable. 4. So we probably need to take 3.14 version. Let's get 3.14 version. Tutorials. I don't like read all the tutorials and everything, but you know, sometimes it's required. So we will take not the latest but 3.14, and we just download that file. Screencast keys. Okay, let's return to Blender, install. It would be from downloads, screencast keys. Okay, and it says it version 3.14. Oh, has no attributes of an updater. Is it possible to let's see our free version? Does it allow us to upload something? It's allow. Let's try to ask. from ChatGPT about this issue. We just copy that and go to ChatGPT. I trying to install 3.14 version, but full on Blender throws an error like in attached picture. Let's try to ask. You see, at least it's understand picture pretty well. It's read from add-on updater from the picture. Cool. And it's basically free version. The latest version compatible from GitHub. Check for dependencies. Manual installation. Blender scripts add-ons. Okay, we don't need manual installation. Nice, it's ask us to change Python code. We don't do that. And it say, okay, go to Stack Exchange and check why it can go to Stack Exchange. Can you? Okay, let's try the latest version from GitHub. So it would be 4.0 latest version. Let's download it. It would be with index 1. Let's go to Blender. Let's remove it. Let's install. Let's search for Screencast 1. And let's try to enable it. Okay. Add-on updater doesn't have Blender 4.1. So let's see once again about Screencast keys master. It's very newest version. And let's see the document about troubleshooting. So even 3.13 supports version 4.1, but we basically need to use 3.14 or 3.13, not like 4.0 like we decided. Okay, let's download 3.14 screencast case. Installation 3 ways from disk. Download, launch Blender, preference add-on, click down upper right window, install from disk, launch Blender. Okay, before, okay, enable add-ons. Okay, looks like we did what we need. Let's see our downloads. It would be with index 2. Let's go to preferences, remove that one, install screen with index 2. You know, interesting. Let me go here and verify if that folder is actually clean, because I think maybe from previous installation there are something not clean. Yeah, there are some drop rate, Okay, so we go see users app data roaming Blender Foundation Blender 4.1 configure scripts add-ons screencast keys. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove it, and you know what, it's basically removed completely. When I click install screencast keys number 2, install. When we try to enable, utils don adapter updater, no attribute to don updater. So let's see releases. Okay, let's see issues here. Let's remove is open, add-on updater. Okay, there are some issues. Let's see that one. Yeah, it's similar. I fixed it just as in case anyone has this error. No idea why it happens exactly myself, but deleted the Blender Foundation folder and opening Blender again fixed it. You know, doesn't sounds very right. But let's remove scripts folder. Let's remove scripts folder. Okay. What I do, I found Blender Foundation scripts and I just go and remove it. Now I will return to Blender. Maybe we need to restart it. Oh, okay. We cannot start it because it's not here. Install screen. Let's try to restart Blender. Should we switch to Blender 4.2? What do you think? Preferences. Screencast. Enable. Nice. Once we restarted Blender, it's now enabled. And yeah, we need to remove that folder. But that folder actually contains only folder add-on screencast keys. Maybe it wasn't removed completely, I don't know. But yeah. Okay, so and it says that once I click an options, screencast keys, and we need to set that we want to what? Yeah, and my screen is not very big. Color is fine. Okay. Oh, nice. Now it's showing. Maybe font size should be slightly bigger. Let's make it like 18. I think it's now fine. Region, left origin. So okay, let's hide that. It's good. So we just open our previous file, open recent glasses, don't save. Yeah, okay, should we enable it? Okay, looks good. Okay, at least now you see what I'm pressing. Now I just go here and there. Okay, now what we can include here? We talk about hertz as well as 0, 1, and we have even stored some of their picture. I believe one of those. Yeah, now we have like that. Okay, maybe those one, or those one. So looks really cool. So what next? We want some elements of motherboard, not motherboard, circuit board, any circuit board, not only motherboard, to be displayed on our flat surface of glasses, correct? And few hearts, a pattern heart. It's very simple. Probably we can create it even ourselves in Blender, but for that thing we need some help. So again, let's go back to our ChatGPT. Okay, how if I want to add structure from some image like circuit board to flat surface in Blender, what would be my steps? Ensure the image is a suitable format, PNG HP. Background, if you only want the structure without surrounding background, then create a select flat surface. You can create but adding a plan, edit mode. Okay, looks good. So let's just search for some circuit board images. Maybe that is nice. View image, board JPG, save image as. Okay, let's save it to our romantic Let's create folder glasses. Oh, why it's VP? It's pech. Okay, now it's PNG. Copy. Okay. So let's try with just plane. To add plane, we need to press Shift A, mesh plane. Okay. Let's make it bigger. And let's just move it here. Okay. Our instructions say us next that we need to edit mode and press tab. Enter edit mode by pressing tab. Select all verticals by plane. Okay, tab, select everything and unwrap. So switch to the shading workspace. It should be somewhere here, shading workspace. So in the shader editor, add an image texture node. Shift A, texture, image texture. Shift A, texture, image texture. New material. Okay, I believe without material we cannot add new. Okay, and here what we do? Oh, add material, new material, add text, image texture, not to the base color input of the principal BDFS. Base color, image texture to base color. Something like that. And let's open. So it's still in the loads. Is it that? No, it's yesterday. Okay, looks like our image. Yeah, we should connect color to color. Okay, switch to UV editing. Where is UV editing? Okay, here. You should see a plain UV map on the left and 3D view on the right. Open your image in the UV editor. So it's my image in UV editor. Adjust your map to fit your image by selecting the verticals and moving scaling them as needed. So I'm selecting that. It's my image. What I need to do, okay, let's try to switch here. So yeah, it's not big space here, but so maybe to materials. Okay, it shows something on that image. But I actually don't see. Okay, looks like I could move it. Okay, so yeah, we created something like that. Let's see. Apply texture, shading workspace. Okay, in layout you should see your circuit board image applied to the plane. To give the surface some depth, you can use bump and normal map. In the shader editor, add bump node, vector bump. So it's our shader editor. We add in a bump node, vector bump. Next, connects image texture node used for the bump to the height input of the bump node. Height. And connect the normal output of the bump node to the normal input of the principal BDSF shader. So let's move it here, here. I don't see any depths actually. Maybe it's not good thing like so. Connect the image texture node used for bump to the height input of the bump node. Height. Okay, color. Image. Height. Basically we did everything like linear, like we asked. Adjust material properties. Okay. By following steps you should be able to apply an image of circuit board onto flat surface Blender, giving it appearance of being printed or etched into the surface. So let's come back to layout. Let's choose it here. And let's see. Yeah, I don't see any depths actually on that plate. Maybe we need play more. But yeah. And if I'll do some render like image, oh, we need to render like not camera but render. Oh, I remember how to, that's something I can do like camera Okay, it's camera perspective. Okay, yeah, I forgot how to make my current perspective as a camera perspective. But anyway, even if we do it's like camera, you see it's still very flat. So probably we need to investigate the topic once again, how to add to our glasses some pattern of circuit board more. So maybe I'll spend some time not on the stream, but yeah, right now we fail it. I still save it for future reference, and for today that it. So yeah, my failed attempt to do something in Blender. At least I did install keystrokes, so you can see what I press in the Blender, and it's good. Okay guys, have a nice time of the day, and see you tomorrow on my 22nd stream of my 152 day stream challenge. And you have coziness in your heart and all around. Goodbye.